Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India-Malaysia Military Cooperation Meeting. Recently, the 10th meeting of India-Malaysia Joint Subcommittee on Defence Science, Technology and Industry Cooperation was held in New Delhi. During the meeting, the existing defence research and industry cooperation between the two countries were reviewed. The discussions were held on issues pertaining to mutual interest. The Indian side highlighted the potential of the Indian defence industry with capacity and capability to cooperate with the Malaysian Armed Forces in its shipbuilding and maintenance plans. Both the co-chairs also deliberated on the possible outcomes for the 12th Malaysia-India Defence Cooperation Committee meeting, which will be held at the level of Defence Secretary in India in September this year. The enhanced strategic partnership was established during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Malaysia in 2015. Now let us have a look at India-Malaysia relations. India established diplomatic relations with the Federation of Malaya, predecessor state of Malaysia, in 1957. In July this year, both countries signed the letter of exchange between the governments of Malaysia and India to amend the Defence Cooperation Memorandum of Understanding that was signed in 1993. Recently in April, India and Malaysia also agreed to settle trade in the Indian rupees.